Meanwhile, Mexico's president is demanding answers about the role of the CIA after 2 agents were killed in a car crash there on Sunday. 2 local investigators were also killed. The 4 were returning from a drug raid. This is getting some big attention, especially in Mexico, of course. And William La Jeunesse following the story live in L.A. Good morning, William.
Hey, Dana, the big unknown here is not that the CIA is in Mexico, but exactly how involved these agents were in that drug operation and how much of that information was shared with the president or her cabinet about this drug bust 1,000 miles away from Mexico City. Here's what happened. The 2 CIA agents were returning from a drug lab bust in the mountains between Chihuahua and Sinaloa when their vehicle crashed and exploded in a ravine. 2 Mexican agents died with them as well. Now, the state attorney general said the Mexican army led this operation, but Sheinbaum claims her cabinet had no knowledge of it and would formally reprimand the U.S. if the CIA was there without prior federal approval.
What the president is saying can be completely accurate in that her Security Council may not have signed off on this. Yet at the same time, someone within a federal branch of government, their army, may have been working with these agents.
So we've heard conflicting information on exactly what the agents were doing. Sheinbaum says the CIA can only provide training and intelligence, and the state AG says they were there as drone instructors. But the issue in Mexico is touchy. Americans are not supposed to work with Mexican police, rather the CIA, without prior federal approval. Yet Sheinbaum has increased cooperation with the U.S. military. The CIA provided critical real-time support in that joint operation in February to take down El Mencho, one of the country's most powerful cartel leaders. So bottom line, analysts say it would be really odd that the Mexican army didn't know that the CIA was already there. And maybe for security reasons, they didn't tell people up the chain. Remember, Dana, the U.S. only works with vetted groups for fear of leaks. And in this bust, someone did tip off the cartel, and everyone was gone when they got there.
Right.
Back to you.
All right. William La Jeunesse, thank you so much.
Be sure to like and subscribe for all the Fox News latest on YouTube and catch full shows streaming now on Fox One.